This is our little Airbnb for the night with my girlfriend.
Okay.
You know, a room with 2 beds. There's a little sofa bed right there. And a little table. And a little girl over there with some Patron in hand, ready for us to take shots. Oh look, Publix.
Where shopping is a pleasure.
Bathroom. Hi guys. A toilet to poop or throw up when you're too drunk. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For you guys that don't know, my name is Monique, and for you guys that do know, I hope you have subscribed. For those who are just joining me, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you're notified every time I post. I think we could take our first shot. Let's take it.
All right, let's go.
And then
It's gonna be hot though.
I can take a piss. Isn't it funny how we kind of match and it was not intentional?
She saw me first though, I will say that.
But I already had the
Oh, okay.
clothes picked
so
out
I copied
since last
her
night.
because I just bought this. Okay, shots. Oh, we gotta actually open the bottle. You just wanna keep posing?
And by the way, she's nothing like me. She hates to be on camera and take pictures and all of above.
Yet here I am doing it.
We love some Patron.
Where's the garbage can?
She's doing it for me. She's such a good best friend.
All right. This is gonna be harsh because it's kind of warm.
Oh gosh. No chaser.
Oh, we can pour out the hot waters. These are big shots too. It was smart of me to make sure I brought shot glasses, right?
I know.
We would be taking shots out of the mugs.
To a good night and to a good day at the park tomorrow.
Yay!
And happy birthday. Ooh, that
I love it. It's because it's hot.
that tasted like a lot though.
It was a lot.
Woo. Kristen, don't be a party pooper. It's your birthday tomorrow. You'll be 25.
22. Gosh, get it right. What's made a stream? Is it? Oh!
You excited for some birthday dinner?
Yes.
Somewhere you've never been?
Yep.
Bahama Breeze.
I don't think I'll end up eating the full thing.
What are you gonna eat?
Jerk chicken pasta. Full portion, not half or lighter. Kill me.
I'm going to have just a buttermilk fried chicken because
You're boring.
I would love to have some shellfish, but I can't because I'm allergic. Fun fact, by the way. Regular mojito, strawberry mojito. Cheers. Good.
Pretty good.
So I don't know if you guys ever been to a Bahama Breeze, but it is pretty cool in here. It feels like you're in the Caribbean, like the Bahamas or Jamaica. Let me show you guys around a little bit. Usually it's busier in here, but you know, people are going back home after a long weekend. Hi, birthday girl. We're back at the hotel and now we're just gonna take a few shots and then eventually go to sleep, so we are ready for our next day. See you guys tomorrow. Guys, I have to get on here because we were laying down in bed and the fire alarm went off in this hotel, and now there's firefighters and everything in here checking to see what's going on. That happened to me when we lived in.
I don't know if it's everybody.
So we're back in the room, and it seems like it was somebody that was cooking in one of the rooms, and the smoke touched sprinklers. The sprinklers went off, and they told us it was all clear for us to, you know, come back up. So, wish us luck. I'm so excited. Excited. Very excited. Oh my God.
Paid $150 for one day.
I know.
I wish it would tell you which way to go. Yeah, we don't want to go that way, I don't think. We should have grabbed the map. It said, oh, I have my phone now.
The times are right there.
Yeah, it's only 15 minutes. Hogwarts Express. Oh, that's so good. That's a Jurassic World ride.
Specific seating assignments.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but our first ride is King Kong. How do I look? Oh, you don't even have it on. I know. I want to.
You didn't tell.
So the King Kong ride was it wasn't too bad, but I don't know if I would be happy about waiting over an hour for that ride. Luckily it was only 15 minutes, but you know, it's good to try things, new things. Now we're gonna keep riding other rides. We just went on the Jurassic Park, right? And we got pretty wet, and it's not that hot for us to be getting wet, but it's a fun ride, and we didn't want to miss it. So excited! Harry Potter World.
$15.
We just went on that ride right there. You see, pretty crazy. And now we're gonna eat some lunch. I'm playing snacks, lunch, and then I don't know where the day's gonna take us. This social distancing CRAP is ridiculous. I mean, I understand it, of course, because we need to protect ourselves, but there's lines for us to even go in a restaurant. And Kristen is very hungry.
I'm hungry.
And I'm hungry too. Oh, my hair looks like it's like
Has little curls.
well, I did curls kind of, but it looks kind of purple.
Kind of.
We're eating some kids chicken nuggets
And butterbeer.
and butterbeer since we're in the Harry Potter world. So the way you get your food now for social distancing is you stand in line, you get seated, you order online, and then you scan your table right there, and they prepare your food. And they prepare your food and they bring it to you. It's not like before. And look at these chairs. It's still the Harry Potter world. And now we have our butterbeer. We ordered kids meals because you know how this place be crazy with the prices.
What are you grinning
Guys,
at?
so we're going on this Dudley do right and you get wet. I'm hoping I don't get soaking wet. We actually were about to walk back out. Oh shit. Look how I look. My mask looks black now. You can't even hear me talk because of the water. And I am soaked. Soaked.
I have an extra mask if you want.
And Kristen is soaked.
I'm gonna switch it out because this one's wet.
Jesus. But it was fun. Happy birthday.
Oh, thanks. This is what you do for me?
Yes. Why do people look when we record? Nosy people. They're just like me. So we literally just changed in the car because we were so soaking wet. Well, your shirt is wet still.
Yes,
right?
my t-shirt is fine, but my
Yeah.
pants were so
You know, we had to get completely naked and everything in this car, in this parking lot.
underwear and all.
But we had to do it because we would have froze. It's 65 degrees right now and being wet is not the deal. And we're still going for dinner and then we have to drive 2 hours. So it's a drive. So, but you feel better?
Yes.
And I have the heater on. So let's go eat some dinner.
Yeah.
Cheers to a good getaway for your birthday. We cheers.
2,000 years later.
So as you can hear, I am back at home and ready to shower and get in bed. It was a fun getaway, and I want to wish my best friend a happy birthday again. Love you with all my heart, and I wish you many more. Until the next time. Thanks guys for watching and joining us on this little getaway. Bye.